here to share my latest release for the Button Farm Club, and this is a good one. I've been waiting for months to share this with you. This is Memory Places, Alice's Tea Party in a Box. This is a beautiful graphic 45 book box with brass feet and little birdie flowers, and it's decorated up with the papers from the collection, and it's got 3 mini folios inside, and these guys are so cute. It's designed to be a display piece. The lid does not close. On the back side of the lid, we have a wonderful tag album. So whichever side you have this on, I was thinking of this as being set out as table decor. You have something pretty to look at because the sides are decorated, the back is decorated, the front is decorated. So let's take a look at this little tag album. First of all, this is the tag album that comes with the collection. And it's just 3 simple little tags with room on the back for photos or journaling. Some have pockets and some are just decorative. Really a cute way to add journaling to a project. In your kit, you're going to get your box with the tags. You're going to get this beautiful silky champagne ribbon, this crushed ribbon and iridescent string. You're going to get a series of charms, metal charms, and of course all the papers and cardstock that you need to create your project. So here's the first little folio. These are 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. Here are some of the little charms that come with the kit. And this one is just a very simple accordion style folio designed to hold pictures. So you can get 14 4 by 4 photos in this little album, which is pretty good for a small space. And 4 by 4 is a decent sized photo. Think of the old Polaroid prints that were so popular. They would certainly fit in here. So this guy lives in the box. Let's take this next one out. This one is the more involved project. Again, 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. I've kept the fronts flat so that they fit in the box. Decorated up the spine. And this is an interactive folio. And this is so fun. If you love to create little mini albums, you're just going to love this kit. So right off the bat, we start having fun. Here's Alice. And there's a little pocket feature where we've tucked in one of the quotes from the collection, and that lives right in this pocket. Then this is actually flips open. Here's another pocket with a little mini envelope, and this is a great spot to add hidden journaling. You can write in quotes. This book is designed to be a lap book, and by a lap book, I mean not for holding photos, but just something that's fun to flip through and look at. So cuteness on every corner in this. Then this pocket page opens out to a flip page with another pocket where I've tucked a bunch of little cute trinkets inside. Here's our Mad Hatter, who we all love, and he actually pulls out from this pocket on the front, and then the inside is a little folio with a riddle, which is fun. And of course, your kit will come with video tutorials for making all of these books, as well as basic written guides with measurements. They're not like detailed tutorials, but they are enough that you will be able to refer to them when you're cutting your papers, just to make things a little bit easier. The center is a pop-up page, just full of dimension. How fun is that? Apothecary bottles, tags, cut-aparts, just super fun. Then here's a little library card tucked into a pocket. Over here, we have a little ATC card with some little playing cards tucked in there. If you love Alice in Wonderland, here's just a blank page with Alice looking up. I just loved this and didn't want to cover anything on this. A little mini pocket with more tickets, and then the back cover is actually a pocket with a mini folio tucked inside. So that is the second book, and it's held shut with this beautiful Silky Crush Ribbon, which is so luxurious and ties gorgeous bows with almost no effort at all. And then the third book, and again, they're all the same size. This one features the Mad Hatter. So we had the White Rabbit, we had Alice, and now we have the Mad Hatter. Little mushroom and playing card charms on the spine. And then inside this one are 2 box pockets. And these hold little mini folios. So, 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 so cute. So this is one of my favorite projects that I've done. Just because of the whimsy of it and all the ability to make folios that serve different purposes. And you know, you could dress this up by putting tea bags in those little mini envelopes. You could set this out as table decor at a bridal shower, a birthday party, a tea party. It's just a really cute, cute piece. So you can get your kit at the Button Farm Club. I will put the link and the price below in the description box. And I hope you will enjoy making this as much as I enjoyed designing it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.